I'm Mick Roberts from Accurate Pest Management. I'm just here to say that I've been using GFS guns for over 5 years now and I'm very happy with the way they perform.
Hi, Nick here from Nail Guns Australia, showing you the GFS 1000 concrete and steel nailing gun. We're out on site today with the guys from Accurate Pest Management putting in a termite barrier. We've had Mick out here putting in term seal onto a standard concrete slab that's been down for approximately 2 weeks. This is just a little instruction video to show the gun being put through its paces. The GFS 1000 concrete and steel track nailing gun is perfect for fast, low-cost fixings for all termite barriers to concrete slabs. Operating with a 40-shot magazine, a butane fuel cell in the back to give you your fire, and a lithium-ion battery. It gives you all the power you need to get the job done. Insert the lithium-ion battery into the bottom as such. If you've got a green light, you're good to go. Next, make sure you've got a genuine GFS fuel cell. The date's on the bottom, so make sure you check that it's in date and insert as such. Slide into the fuel cell receptor and you're away. In case of a pin jam or misfiring, make sure that you check the barrel of the gun. The barrel of the gun can be checked very easily as follows. Remove the magazine bolt at the bottom and pull the magazine clear and check for any blockages. Good to go. When purchasing GFS pins and fuel cells, when removing the fuel cell from the box, please ensure that you engage the fuel cell. By that, we mean removing the top of the safety cap, sliding the fuel receptor nozzle away, and then engaging the top of the fuel cell as such. You are now ready to go. Now optional with the GFS 1000 concrete and steel track nailing gun is the magnetic adapter. Perfect for putting down washers over the top of your normal standard 19mm pin, which will allow you to get a greater purchase on your termite barrier in high wind areas. When installing physical termite barrier in high wind areas or where specified, GFS now has the optional magnetic adapter which can be applied to the barrel of your gun. Simply take the adapter, place over the barrel, tighten the grub screws in place, apply a GFS washer as such, If you find that the head of the 19mm pin is sitting a little bit too proud on a new slab, try going for a shorter pin. We do offer a 13mm pin, which will provide a flusher finish. The GFS 1000 concrete and steel nail gun is available through all leading pest accessory suppliers, such as Garrard's Horse and Hound, AgServe and Globe Australia. You can also purchase the tool through our website at www.nailgunsaustralia.com.au.